Welcome to another vlog series. Today is the day we're leaving Australia and heading to Hong Kong Disneyland. It's one of the closest Disney parks to home and we can't wait to show you what makes it the perfect Disney fix for Aussie families. Okay, note to self, if you are going to be parking at Melbourne Airport and you're going to be using the value parking, come a little bit earlier because this car park fills up incredibly quickly and you have to then get out, walk over to the bus stop obviously, but there aren't a lot of car parks, so you need to sort of plan ahead a little bit. We're flying Qantas today from Melbourne, so to Hong Kong it's around a 9-hour flight, and this feels like nothing in comparison to the long haul flight to the US. But before we fly, we're going to stop by the Qantas Lounge. So here we grab some food and chill out for a little bit. This is the perfect way to start a big travel day. Good food, comfy seats, and a moment to unwind before the excitement really begins. So here in the Qantas Lounge, we're Qantas Club members. So we think this is a really good option if you are traveling as a family. It's always a really, really good option. So I'm just going to show you what you have here. Before every Disney trip, we love starting the journey in the Qantas Club, and honestly, it's one of the best travel upgrades for families. The membership costs around $700 a year, but here's what it gives you. Access to Qantas lounges across Australia and many international airports, complimentary food and drinks, breakfast, snacks, coffee, even a glass of wine before your flight. Plus, free Wi-Fi, clean bathrooms, and plenty of space to relax away from the busy terminal. But the best part, Andrew's the member in our family, but he can bring in 3 guests, so all of us get in. No extra passes needed. If you've got kids, this is an absolute game changer. They can stretch out, watch a show, download anything before they get on a flight, or grab a snack before the flight. Plus, you can even get showers, guys, if you have layovers, and you can start your trip calm instead of chaotic. So if you travel even a couple of times a year, especially long haul, the Qantas Club is absolutely worth considering. Oh my gosh, guys, the excitement is real. We have eaten, we have recharged. It's time to board our flight and get this Hong Kong adventure started.
Good morning.
Hello, how are you?
Today?
Good, thanks. Yourself?
Very well, thank you. 4 of you travelling today?
Yep.
Welcome on board.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Cross over. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard. Are you ready?
Qantas made this flight super easy. The crew were amazing and the entertainment selection was pretty perfect for families. Dinner was a little bit hit and miss this time for us. Andrew really enjoyed his, but the kids and I didn't quite love the flavors. But the ice cream was a winner. Still, airline food can go either way and the service more than made up for it. Okay guys, I hope you can hear me, but we currently have 1 hour and 45 minutes left of our flight. This is a 9-hour flight from Australia, so from Melbourne to Hong Kong it's 9 hours, and we have an hour and 45 minutes left. And Nate is asleep, Aria is asleep, and Andrew is currently just watching a movie. I have watched 3 movies right now. I have watched The Social Network, The Materialists, and oh my goodness, what was the other one I watched? Oh, 17 again. Sorry. Not long until we land, and we are going to Hong Kong Disneyland for the very, very first time. We have never been there before, so we're super excited to tick this one off our list. And we are going to take you along with us and show you why this may be a really great short haul Disney flight for Aussie Disney fans. And we hope that you will enjoy this vlog and continue watching with us. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you are notified when we upload more videos, and you continue along this Hong Kong Disneyland journey with us.
Wow. We just stepped off the plane.
So we are in Hong Kong. We have arrived.
And it's
Hello.
And it's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot. Oh, it's
Beautiful.
And,
Reminds me of Bali.
now, I only get smacked in the face with that.
Reminds me of Bali.
So
We have arrived in Hong
hey, I was already
Kong.
recording. I'm already
Oh,
recording.
you're recording on your meta. We have arrived in Hong Kong and we are heading to Hong Kong Disneyland. We are so excited.
Shout out to Craig, our main flight attendant. Cabin crew member. He was a legend.
Craig, he was a legend, wasn't he?
Craig from Qantas.
He was amazing. So shout out to you, Craig. Thank you for assisting us on our flight. Our very first 7-Eleven sighting at the Hong Kong airport. It's very exciting for us.
7-Elevens in like Asian countries are way different. Like,
Yes, they are. The ones in Japan are awesome.
To get from the airport to Hong Kong Disney, there's a couple of different options. You can take the train, it's really cheap. That train, though, you've got to change trains here and there. It takes about 40 minutes. The most direct route is taxi, probably about 20 Australian. We'll tell you when we get there. But it's the direct, quickest route, but you want a blue taxi because the taxis go by island, and I'll tell you some more about that a bit later on. But and there's usually, so we're going to go taxis.
And we're going to go
Taxi,
left.
left.
Yes.
Yeah, and maybe another time when we visit, we'll take the train.
Okay. There is the trains.
That's the train, yeah, so that's the airport train.
Yep.
So you can get on that train,
Yep.
and then you'll have to just change, no, it's not a bullet train. You'll have to change that train somewhere else closer to the city,
Yep.
and then from there you'll go to the Disney. So I think there's only one transfer, but maybe on the way back we'll try it.
Okay. We'll have a look at it.
But for now, we just want to really get there so we can get some momentous, because we have the annual passes and we're just going to be able to
Yeah,
drop our
boy.
bags and then go straight in and go experience momentous for the first time.
Woohoo!
That's the plan.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that we are here. This is so exciting. So exciting. And we're about to walk outside and the captain told us that it is currently 31 degrees outside.
Celsius.
31 degrees Celsius outside. So I'm pumped. I love the heat. So I'm pumped to get outside and have this hit me in the face.
So as we come up,
Here we
as you
go.
see, there's 3 taxis. There's the green, red and blue taxi. We want blue for Lantau, different islands, different taxis.
Yes, get it.
So these things are really cool though. They basically tell you which
Where are you going to go?
where you want to go, main areas.
This one says Hong Kong Disneyland.
There's not even a wait on the taxis. We're going to be able to go straight in.
We're also about to tell you if you can pay for a taxi with a card without having to prepay, or if you need cash. So you can get in the taxi if you have a cash or EFTPOS card. And so we have just told our taxi driver we're going to Hong Kong Disneyland and we're about to get in the taxi. Getting from Hong Kong International Airport to Hong Kong Disneyland is super easy. We grabbed a taxi straight from the terminal. The ride takes about 20 to 25 minutes depending on traffic, and our taxi was one of the blue Lantau taxis which operates on this side of Hong Kong. It was quick, comfy and cost about 41 Australian dollars. That's roughly 210 Hong Kong dollars. There's plenty of space for luggage, sort of, and taxis accept both cash, credit and the octopus card, though it's best to have cash just in case. If you're arriving late or want to get straight to the magic without transfers, this is definitely the easiest way to go from the airport to Hong Kong Disneyland. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so for the luggage, we can help you keep here first.
Perfect.
Thank you. So this is a list of the hotel recreation activities that all of the kids can do, so you can learn how to draw Disney characters, Tai Chi with Disney Masters. That sounds like something I would love to do. We've just arrived at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, and first impressions, we're absolutely loving it. From the moment you drive up, it feels so grand and elegant, that classic Disney style mixed with a little bit of Victorian charm. There are Disneyland hotels all over the world. You'll find one in Anaheim, Tokyo, Paris, Shanghai, and of course, right here in Hong Kong. Each one has its own magic, but this one definitely has that timeless fairy tale feel. We'll be giving you a full resort tour in a separate video where we'll show you everything. The restaurants, the pools, the rooms, and so much more. But for now, let's check in and take in the magic of the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Okay, so we have it checked in and we are now going to make our way to our room. So there are ATMs in the hotel. There are also power bank rental services where you can hire like the power banks for while you're in the parks in case you think you're going to run out of, like your battery's going to go flat on your phone. Look, there are hidden Mickeys on the carpet.
Oh yeah.
Little hidden Mickeys. Okay, so making our way around our room. I'll show you outside the outdoor pool. Look, there's Mickey and Minnie. Yeah. What room number were we?
5051.
Room number 5051. Okay, here we go. Tinkerbell's on our bedhead. The three fairies. Okay guys, so we have just come in to our room at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel and we're going to give you a very, very quick room tour. Okay, so here we go.
Yeah.
So we come in and then to the left here we have the doors. Okay, so we have our cute little slippers and then our robes, hairdryer, hanging space, and then there's laundry bags. And then to the right, we have the bathroom. Okay. The vanity. Oh my gosh, and there's Sneezy. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? I'm so taking these home. And then around the mirror are the dwarfs. Snow White at the top. Oh my word. Shower. And then the toilet tucked away. And then we have an espresso machine, kettle. In here, the safe. And oh, I need to figure out which side. There we go. Fridge. And then jasmine tea, English breakfast. Oh. Mugs. And then these super cute little Disney mugs. Just gonna pop that there. And then an ice bucket as well. Okay. Hanging hooks. And then under here is where you can pop your shoes. TV. And drawer space. Oh, we get some cute stationery. 20th anniversary pen. Postcard. What's in this one? Wow. Ah, cool. So you can pop these out and make your own castle, and then all the characters stand up in there. Desk. And there's some USB ports here. And then on the beds, have these cute little Mickey Mouse heads on them. And then on this bed head are the 3 fairies, which is super cute. And over on this bed, it's another fairy, Tinkerbell. And then here, more stationery memo pad. And a Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel pen. And then we have discount coupons in here. There are discount coupons in there. And then we'll just go outside onto the balcony. Amma, look at this. Wow. Oh my word. Yeah.
Can we go through that another time?
Yeah.
Where's the pool?
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
It's so pretty.
Yeah. So there we are. That is our room tour. And now we're going to, I think we're going to head downstairs and we're going to try and see if we can catch a momentous tonight.
So we have arrived, we have our bags. It is now 7 o'clock in, where are we? Hong Kong. It's 7 o'clock. It has been a long day. We are now going to walk over so that we can go get a good spot and watch Momentous for the very first time at Hong Kong Disneyland for the very first time. That's what we're going to do right now, but we're not taking you with us tonight. We will take you another night. I keep doing that. I'm going to have to really get used to this holding it out thing.
Yeah.
It's going to just going to build the muscle strength in my arm. We will see you tomorrow.
And don't forget, what are you waiting for? Life's too short.
Oh, that's right. Insert catchphrase here.